And one of the really great things about InDesign is that you can design a set of documents in one InDesign document. You can have multiple different sizes of pages in one InDesign document, and then instead of having like lots of different InDesign documents, you can have just one that kind of encompasses everything you need. For example, one of the things that we do in GIT 413 is we create a set, something called a business package, which is a business card, a piece of letterhead, and an envelope. So those have three distinct sizes, but we can create them all in InDesign, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to open up your Pages panel. And here I have a document already that it has 3 pages, 3 non-facing pages, because they're actually different documents, so I don't want to use facing pages with them. So they're single pages. And my first page is, actually all 3 pages are 8.5 by 11, but let's just say that I want this page to be my envelope. And so that's going to be not my envelope, my letterhead. But I want to make the second page in my InDesign document the front of my envelope, the design for the front of my envelope. Well, I can choose, actually let's make it the business card, because that's the third thing, because I want to show this in this order. So I want this to be the business card. If I go down here, there's a little drop down at the bottom of the Pages window, and if I open it up, you'll see that there's some defaults. So there's all the kind of typical page letter, or like kind of business names for page sizes. These are also different page sizes that are common in the printing industry. And then this one also has a default for the business card and compact disc. Well, and then you can do a custom one, which we'll do for the envelope. For the business card, if I click that, you'll see it changes shape. Now it looks like it's much bigger, but it's not. It's just all proportion. So if I double click on this, now you see this is the business card and this is the letterhead, and they're actually correctly proportioned according to how they really would look in, size-wise in real life. And then finally, on my third page, I want that to be my business envelope. So I'm going to go back to my edit page size, and I'm going to pick custom. And then I'll get this window, and I can name it. I'm going to name it envelope. And the size I want, a business number 10 envelope, is actually 9.5 inches wide and 4.125 inches, I'm sorry, high. Yeah, that's right. So 9.5 inches wide, 4.125 inches high. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to say OK. So now it's not only has that changed shape like I want it, that default, or that template, is now in my list of templates. So I will have that evermore that I use this copy of InDesign. This will be here now. So now I have 3 different sizes of documents for my letterhead, for my business card, and for my envelope. And it's all in one InDesign document, so I can export them out as separate pages, as PDFs. I can package it all together and send it to a printer if that's what they want. But it's all here. It's less confusing. It's more compact.